Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart exclusive collections only for you. So let me display. This one also a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom soft silk Banarasi weaving border with digital printed one, very soft, comfortable, smart looks, smart trendy looks, and very soft silk, pure handloom one, soft silk weaving border and fully digital print, same material. Today I have did pretty soft one, only 500 gram weight, and this one border portions fully fine Banarasi weaving highlighted border, and this one is full base part, very soft smart looks with beautiful bright digital printed floral printed one. And this one pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with fine heavy weaving design Banarasi work pallu. And this one running blouse piece. This one is heavy brocade work with digital printed running blouse piece, very nice one. And this one is full base part, very soft smart looks, handloom soft silk Banarasi weaving border and fully digital printed one, and very soft lightweight comfortable, only 500 gram weight, same material. Today I have draped different color only. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color, beautiful color combinations, contrast color border Banarasi weaving border. This one is full base part, very beautiful printed one, and this one is sorry, border portions contrast color dye with fine Banarasi weaving worked border. And this one pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful weaving with digital printed pallu, and pallu and this pom pom. And this one full base part, very soft one, soft comfortable summer friendly. This one is full base, very trendy smart look, same material. Today I have draped. This one is full base, this one is Banarasi weaving border, very smart looks And I will suggest this, sorry, this one is running blouse piece, fully worked brocade weaving, self weaving brocade work with digital printed running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material checks with digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color, baby pink base, contrast color weaving Banarasi border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very nice one, trendy look, smart also. This one is contrast color dye with fine Banarasi weaving heavy worked border, and this one full base part, very soft one, pink base digital printed one. And this one is pallu also very beautiful one, fully weaving design with digital printed one, and pallu in pom pom. And this one full base part, very smart elegant bright trendy looks. And this one running blouse piece, fully brocade work with printed running blouse piece, very nice one. And this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh trendy looks. Same material, same pattern, different color and print only, very nice color combinations, soft sober looks, premium quality handloom soft silk Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one. This one is contrast color border and fine Banarasi weaving work, and this one is full base part, very beautiful smart elegant look, soft one, only 500 gram weight. And this one pallu part, heavy Banarasi weaving work with digital printed pallu and pom pom. And this one full base part, very smart elegant trendy looks. This one is full base, soft comfortable, fully digital printed one, Banarasi weaving border. And this one running blouse piece, brocade work with digital printed one, brocade work with digital print, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart looks, very nice one. And this one also beautiful color combinations, peach pink set, golden set, tissue linen with weaving border design, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen. This one is pink base golden set, shiny material, and this one is border portions, fine weaving design, border golden zari, and this one pallu part, highlighted contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, golden set, pink with golden set, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks, best for your party wear. And this one also very exclusive one. This one very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom muslin with jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani golden zari border, and full base part is transparent, very exclusive, outstanding looks. This one is full base transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, fully hand weaving work, very bright looks, also royal blue shade, and full base part is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, pure handloom muslin transparent with hand weaving jamdani work. And this one full base part, very nice one, again bright color combination. This one is full base, very beautiful one, and pallu in fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu, very trendy, smart, bright looks, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. And this one also very beautiful one, elegant color combinations, steel grey shade, pure muslin with hand weaving work, jamdani work on border part, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. And this one full base part this one is border portions, fine contrast color, threaded weaving design, hand weaving design, jamdani work, fully hand weaving work. And this one is full base part, muslin transparent with jamdani buta, very nice one, bright, elegant looks, very elegant one. This one is full base part. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully colorful, fully fine hand weaving jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu part, pure muslin jamdani, very nice one, elegant looks, transparent material, pure muslin with jamdani work, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright, elegant looks, very nice one. This one also very beautiful one, baby pink base, dark baby pink golden zari border, a pure muslin golden zari border with beautiful colorful hand weaving jamdani work, very bright color combinations, very nice look. This one is golden zari border, and this one is full base part, fully silver zari with contrast color, threaded weaving design, heavy worked jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani, and pure muslin with hand weaving jamdani work by silver zari with contrast color, threaded weaving jamdani work, and transparent material, fully hand weaving jamdani. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu and very colorful jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani, fine weaving design, very smart looks. And pallu and fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and very trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous, smart looks, very elegant also. Very beautiful, bright looks, bright black shade with pure muslin golden zari border with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very bright one, best for your party wear, elegant looks. This one is pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very colorful also, golden zari with contrast color, threaded weaving design, heavy work, fully hand weaving work, jamdani work, very nice one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, black muslin with heavy jamdani work, very nice one. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, very elegant and traditional looks, and pallu in this golden zari fine stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. And this one also beautiful one, pure organza with golden zari checks with Banarasi weaving border, very nice one, trendy looks, beautiful color combination, sky blue shade. Pure organza with checks and Banarasi weaving border, very nice one. This one full base part, fully golden zari fine checks, and this one border portion is very soft one, fully fine Banarasi weaving border. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted golden zari fine stripes pallu in, and this one is full base part, very nice one, trendy bright looks. This one is full border portions, fine golden zari weaving Banarasi work, and this one is full base part, very nice one, pure organza base with checks and golden zari Banarasi weaving border, very nice one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very smart and trendy elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, different color only. Very elegant color combinations, mustard yellow shade, checks pattern, pure organza, premium quality pure organza, and full base part is fine checks design. And this one is border portions, very soft one, premium quality golden zari weaving, hand weaving Banarasi work border. And this one is pallu in fine smart golden zari fine stripes, and this one is full base part, very elegant smart trendy look. This one is pure organza golden zari checks Banarasi weaving border. This one is fully fine hand weaving Banarasi border, very soft, comfortable, lightweight, obviously very trendy and bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh, trendy and bright looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane, very smart trendy looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. This one full base part, soft, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane. This one border portions contrast color stripes pattern with beautiful temple weaving fine design border. And this one pallu part, contrast color pallu, and full base part, very smart trendy looks, dual shade fine weaving border design, very smart looks, fine weaving work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, very trendy one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also very elegant one, tussar mocha silk golden zari border, coffee brown shade, and very smart elegant looks in soft comfortable also. This one is full base part is plain with beautiful golden zari border, and full base part is coffee brown shade, very elegant one, tussar mocha. And this one pallu in fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks, bright color combinations, coffee brown with golden zari border, white border. And this one is full base part, very smart elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, silk lane Banarasi premium quality pure handloom silk lane with heavy Banarasi weaving work, very nice one. This one is bright fresh yellow shade, golden zari with silver and golden zari combined weaving buta. And this one border portion silver zari with contrast color golden zari weaving highlighted lines on border part, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, golden and silver zari combined weaving buta. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully fine weaving design, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, heavy worked pallu, and this one is full base part, very smart elegant looks and beautiful border, silver zari fine weaving buta, highlighted golden zari lines and border part, very elegant trendy exclusive looks, silk lane base, premium quality pure handloom silk lane with golden and silver zari fine weaving work. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material golden shade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. And this one also beautiful color combinations silk lane pure handloom silk lane purple contrast border and pallu dye pallu, and this one full base part baby pink shade, very elegant beautiful sweet color combination. This one is full base part. This one is contrast color dye with fine Banarasi weaving heavy worked border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with heavy Banarasi weaving work with pom pom design pallu. This portion is pallu, and this one full base part baby pink shade fine golden zari weaving buta contrast color dye border with fine Banarasi weaving work, very smart bright elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks, bright and trendy smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, silk lane silver zari weaving work, and full base part is with plain with heavy Banarasi weaving silver zari weaving border. This one is full base part, very smart bright elegant looks and very nice color combinations, and fully silver zari fine weaving heavy work Banarasi worked pallu. And this one is full base part, very trendy smart look. This one is full base. This one is full base part, beautiful one, fine silver zari weaving Banarasi work border, very nice elegant looks. And this one is silk lane base, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart bright looks, very nice one. Very beautiful elegant color combinations, premium quality pure handloom layen by cotton weaving with Banarasi weaving heavy work and very bright beautiful elegant color combinations. This one full base part premium quality pure handloom layen by cotton with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving hand weaving design Banarasi worked border, and this one full base part beautiful weaving buta design and very elegant color combination, soft comfortable smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice one. This one is full base, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari weaving hand weaving design heavy worked pallu and very soft comfortable fully hand weaving design. And this one full base part bright color combinations and fine weaving border design and fully hand weaving work Banarasi buta and bright bottle green shade. And I will suggest this silk material mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh gorgeous bright looks, best for your party wear. This one also same material layen by cotton with fine weaving design heavy work, full base part is weaving work, fully hand weaving work, golden zari maroon shade wine maroon shade with beautiful weaving golden zari weaving heavy worked, full base part, very soft one, soft comfortable smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving heavy worked pallu. This portion is lines stripes work, fully weaving stripes, and this one is beautiful weaving buta design highlighted pallu, and this one is full base part, soft comfortable smart bright looks, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this golden shade silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart gorgeous looks. And this one is very beautiful one, blue shade with silver zari weaving work, Banarasi weaving work, and base is premium quality pure handloom silk linen base with beautiful bright navy blue shade. And this one is fine weaving border design, Banarasi border, and full base part is Banarasi weaving buta work, very elegant bright looks, traditional also, fully weaving heavy work Banarasi work border, and fully hand weaving design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful Banarasi weaving work, hand weaving, very bright color combinations. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine silver zari weaving heavy design work, pallu fully Banarasi weaving work, very soft one, soft comfortable premium quality silver zari weaving Banarasi work, very nice one, bright looks, based for your party wear, very nice, and wedding functions, very gorgeous looks also. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also very beautiful one, bright color purple shade with hand weaving work, fully heavy work, 1.5 inch highlighted golden zari border. And this one full base part, bright looks. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, and base is linen by cotton with beautiful fine weaving design, heavy work, full base part, highlighted 1 inch golden zari border. And this one full base part, very bright elegant gorgeous looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very soft one, soft comfortable, based for your party wear also. This one is full base part, highlighted border, and full base part is heavy weaving work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. These are also very beautiful one, Tasar golden shade premium quality pure organza base reshmi zari weaving border. And this one full base part, beautiful color combinations with golden zari, reshmi golden zari weaving buta work. This one is full base. This one is border portion, soft comfortable bright reshmi zari weaving border highlighted. And this one is full base part, pure organza base with weaving buta design. This one is beautiful weaving buta work by reshmi zari weaving buta. And this one pallu part, very highlighted one, fully reshmi zari weaving base with beautiful buta design, pallu with beautiful pom pom. This one full base part, very bright gorgeous looks, Tasar golden shade highlighted border with trendy smart bright looks. And this one running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, beautiful one, this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart gorgeous bright party looks, outstanding party looks. Same material, beautiful color combinations, very nice one, pure organza base premium quality pure handloom organza golden zari reshmi zari weaving golden set reshmi zari weaving border highlighted. And this one full base part, sky blue shade with weaving buta design by reshmi zari. And this one border portion is very soft one, wide border reshmi zari weaving border, and beautiful weaving lines on border part. And full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine reshmi zari weaving base with buta work, pallu with beautiful pom pom design, pallu in very smart bright looks, elegant color combinations, sky blue shade with golden zari weaving border, highlighted border reshmi zari weaving border. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design by reshmi zari and sky blue shade bright color combinations. And this one running blouse piece, and base is pure organza premium quality. And this one is running blouse piece, very bright gorgeous looks. This one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart gorgeous looks. And this one also, very bright color combinations, muslin base, golden zari weaving, hand weaving, jamdani work, golden zari border, very bright, beautiful party looks, wedding functions, very nice one. This one, pure muslin base with golden zari fine weaving, jamdani work, golden zari border and full base part is beautiful fine golden zari weaving design, jamdani work. And this one is pallu end, fine stripes pattern, pallu end, golden zari stripes. And this one, full base part, very elegant looks, bright color combinations, bright maroon red shade, golden zari border with beautiful hand weaving, jamdani work, transparent muslin base with jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one, very nice color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom reshmi silk with Banarasi weaving work and golden shade, very greenish golden shade with fine weaving Banarasi work border. And this one, full base part, very bright looks, based for your party wear, shiny material. And this one is fine weaving design, fully hand weaving design, heavy worked Banarasi worked border. This one is border and this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, pure reshmi silk with reshmi zari weaving border, Banarasi border. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design, reshmi zari weaving, Banarasi work. And this one is beautiful pom pom, and this one is full base part, very bright, beautiful, gorgeous party looks, Banarasi work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh gorgeous bright looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.